Alright folks, welcome to the training here. I am Questra, Queen, Alam. All of my friends call me Queen. So we're going to get started here with this training. This is presented to you by Passive Profits. We're going to talk about how to earn 3 to 6% per week and 12 to 24% per month on your money. And you can do this without no selling. No selling is required. No recruiting is required. And there are no monthly dues or membership fees. Income disclaimer. No amount of income or profit is guaranteed. All investments carry some form of risk. So please never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Also, past performance does not guarantee or indicate a profitable future or performance. We do not offer tax, legal, or investment advice. Passive Profits Club is a marketing partner of an international global wealth fund that invests clients' capital into various ventures, including IPOs, commodities, forex, and other business ventures that the fund deems to be worthwhile. The fund has been successful in producing profits since 2009. However, this does not mean that they can never lose or not meet the weekly objective rate of return they publish. Please do your due diligence before parting with any of your money. Only then, if you are satisfied, should you move forward. Okay, so we're going to talk about using traditional investment vehicles which this platform uses. And again, we're talking real estate, property, IPOs, forex, commodities, and also buying and selling of businesses. Atlantic Global Asset Management is a tried and tested formula since 2009 and has a very successful track record, which I'll show you shortly. This is not a new concept for them, and it's definitely they're not new kids on the block. Now, so we want to welcome you to Atlantic Global Asset Management. This is the CEO and also president of the fund. Now, there are various portfolio, we call them suitcases, investment packages that you can invest in, starting at 90 euros here, as you can see. And the suitcases are colored. So you have white, yellow, green, blue, red, black, so forth and so on. So you're talking from 90 euro up to over 500,000 euro, and just recently they have brought on even higher investment packages because people out of different parts of the country are wanting to invest more and more. So the packages currently go up to over 5 million. So wherever your budget fits, wherever your budget lies, there is a place here for everyone. You can buy as many investment packages as you want. Again, they're called suitcases, and your invested funds are split between 25 responsible, experienced asset managers that invest your funds in the different vehicles that we discussed earlier. You can see how each fund manager is performing over a 3-year period. It's broken down month by month. And there's a pictorial history that tells a very nice story about the manager so that you can make an educated decision on which managers you would like to manage your funds. Now, the platform has a default setting to actually mitigate the risk. As you can see here, this is a list of the different 25 managers. This over here to the right is showing you exactly how your funds are being split between the managers. So there is a default setting here that mitigates your risk. So when you invest, whereby it spreads out your investment portfolio at 4% for each of the 25 managers. So that mitigates your risk of losses. So if you take a look here, just take a look at the investment portfolio suitcases and just look at the 90 euro package. You'll see the estimated monthly returns are 17.3. Now, for this particular investment portfolio suitcase, the asset fund commission is 39%. So what you would do to get your net return is you take 17.3 minus the 39%. That would be your net return. Another example is on the 810 suitcase, which is the green suitcase. Your estimated monthly return is 19.9%. And over here, the fund commission is 30%. So you would take your 19.9% minus 30%. That would give you your net monthly returns. And so forth and so on. Same thing if you went to a 65,000 euro package, which gives you 26.9 estimated monthly return. Your commission for the fund is only 7%. So as you invest higher amounts, the fund commission goes down, 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 obviously, as you can see here. So now let's actually take a look, and let me share my screen with you, and let me show you the calculator so you can kind of see some different examples. Okay, so here we are at the calculator. A couple of disclaimers here. Questra World is not responsible for the information presented on this website. This is not an official website. This is an individual affiliate. Income disclaimer. All profit and income examples that are calculated here are estimates only, which you probably can earn. Profit shares are dependent upon the operating results, and cannot be guaranteed. Risk warning. Questra World underlies economical and enterprising risk like every other company. Therefore, it is possible to lose all or part of your money. You shouldn't spend money which you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so let's take a look here at the calculator, and I've got it set for the bare minimum investment package suitcase, which is 90 euros, and we're going to say over the next 3 years, so that's 156 weeks, and we're not going to take out anything from the investment. We're just going to keep reinvesting. So we'll click calculate, and we will scroll down here. On the left hand column here, these dates, these are the dates showing your investment portfolio growing each week, because this is a weekly investment strategy platform, so you can actually compound per week. Alright, so let's go down to the first year, and let's take a look and see how this particular portfolio did. So in 1 year, 52 weeks, the portfolio went from 90 euros to 360 euros approximately. Let's look at the next year, which is 104 weeks. So here at the second year, portfolio is at 2,880 euro, and then the last year we're at 33,000 euro. Now obviously you can continue compounding, continue reinvesting, and grow your portfolio. So that's the example on a 90 euro package. Let's take a look at 1,000 euro, and on 1,000 we'll take out, let's take out 25% after the first year, and we'll do that through the remaining years. Okay, so 1,000 euro, 3 years, first year 25% we'll take out and reinvest the 75%. So let's calculate that and see what it looks like. Alright, so another thing here is that the calculator will also tell you which investment suitcase portfolios that you need to have in order to get these estimates. So let's go down here and take a look at the first year, because we said we're going to take out 25%. So starting in week 53, that's May 2018, we're going to start taking out $100 per week. Second week, 113, 119. So we'll go to, actually let me show you here after the first year where you're at with your total portfolio. So the total portfolio is at 9,100 euro, and you're taking out about 100 a week, and it's growing obviously over the weeks because you're compounding. And let's take a look at the second year, which is 104 weeks. So the second year you are at 835 euros that you're able to take out per week, and your investment portfolio is about 62,000 euro. And then at the end of the 3 years, you're at 391 euros in your portfolio, and you're taking out approximately 5,500 euros per week. And this is without you necessarily having to recruit. This is just your investment portfolio. Okay, let's take a look at 3,000 euro. and we're going to do 50%, and we'll leave that at the first year through the remainder. So we'll do 3,000 euro, take out 50% starting the second year per week, and reinvest the rest. Okay, so let's go down to 53 weeks. Let's take a look here. So we're at the 53 weeks. The portfolio is at 33,000, close to close to 34,000 euro, and we're taking out $895, not dollars but euros, per week. Let's go down to the second year, and this is obviously growing and growing. You see, as we're at 2,000 or so, or over 2,000 per week. Year 2, we're at 135,000 euro in the portfolio, taking out about 3,800 euros per week. And then at the end here, this is very exciting. You can definitely stay up late nights, all night, playing around with this calculator. So at the end of the 3 years, you're at 330,000 euro, and you're at about 6,400 that you're taking out in your account, in your bank account, helping you and your family per week. Good deal. And this is, again, without having to recruit. Alright, let's take a look at a couple more here, because I know everyone is at a different investment level and everyone has different budgets. So let's just take a look. We'll go up to 5,000 euro. We will calculate, and we'll speed this up here so we can get through this. I don't know about you, but this is exciting for me. I can stay on this calculator all day. So the 53rd week, which is your first full year, at the what did we do? We did 5,000 euro, right? So your investment portfolio is at 62,000 euro. You're at 1,600 per week that you're taking out, and it's going in directly into your bank account, and it's growing, growing, growing. Let's go to second year. So second year, 104 weeks, you're at 160,000 in your portfolio, and you're taking out 4,500 per week, and that's growing, 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 growing. And then at the end of year 3, you're at 430,000 in your portfolio. You have taken out approximately 577,000 euro total, and you're continuing to take out about 12,327 euro per week. Again, this is without having to recruit. This is just your investment portfolio. Let's take a look at 10,000 euro, and we'll leave it there. We'll leave it at 50% taken out starting after a full year, and we'll calculate. Okay, so 53 weeks, where are you? Alright, so 53rd week, your investment portfolio is at 142,000 euro. You're taking out 4,000 per week. That's growing, growing, growing. Growing, 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 as you can see. You get to year 2, you have accumulated 382,500 in your investment portfolio. You've taken out a total of 382,000 euro. You're currently getting paid each week 10,900 and some change euro. At the end of the 3rd year, this is on a 10,000, starting with a 10,000 investment portfolio. So at the end of 3 years, you're at 888,000 euro in your portfolio. You've taken out about 1.29 million euro, and you're currently receiving an income each week over 25,000 euro into your bank account. So that is how the income calculator works. Obviously, you can play around with these numbers, and wherever you see your budget fit within this, then that's what you could choose to do. Very exciting information, to say the least. Okay, so now when you deposit money, your funds go into EcoBank, which is the largest bank in Cabo Verde and has an international footprint of over 1,300 branches in 36 countries. As you can see here, one of the very largest banks in that part of the region, which Cabo Verde, or Cape Verde, some people say, is a small Portuguese island off of the northwest coast of Africa. And these are some pictures here. Absolutely gorgeous island, and we're going to have to all meet there for a holiday very soon in the very near future. So how to fund your account. Atlantic Global Asset Management, in which we all call AGAM for short. So AGAM accepts many forms of payments, including SWIFT, obviously, that's a bank wire, OK Pay, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, and the most popular form to invest and fund your account is via Bitcoin. Now, if you are in the United States, Bitcoin is the only way that you can actually fund your account, and we'll show you exactly how to do that if you're not familiar with that inside of our members only website. Now, Bitcoin is a great way to invest for you for a couple of different reasons. Even if you're outside of the United States and you have other options available to you to fund your account, you may want to consider Bitcoin, because not only do you get to participate in the 3 to 6% per week return on your investment portfolio, but you will also get the appreciation value as Bitcoin continues to rise in the marketplace. So let me ask you, who wants to earn 3 to 6% per week on their money? Who's excited about that? I know I definitely am. So that pretty much sums up the investment side of things. It's very simple. You invest your money, you make money. All right, simple. Now, another thing is it's not going to be hard for you anymore to make money online, because you have a platform, you have a system that's tried and proven that can assist you and your family. Now, getting good returns is no longer just for the rich. It's for us, and it's for everybody. So I'm very excited about this. Now, earlier I alluded to insurance. So let's talk about the insurance and the risk. Like, can you lose money? Well, in 2012, Atlantic Global Asset Management, they had enough cash on hand to start their own insurance company where your funds are protected. So yes, you're insured against loss. There is a feature that's inside of your account, and you can turn on your investment. It's just a little button that you check to turn on the insurance for you. Then you will not have a loss. If, say for instance, for a particular week, the way that your funds are allocated, maybe there was a loss. Well, if you have the insurance turned on, then this actually protects you from any losses for that week. So this is very reassuring for all of those that are involved. And finally, there is a company that creates true wealth for all, regardless of budget, and can mitigate your risk. So now, part 2 of our training is the affiliate marketing side of our business model. Now, this is unlike MLM or network marketing. It's completely different. This is you introducing people to the company, and you make a direct commission for your referrals. Now, people say they hate selling. So my advice to you is don't sell this to people. What you want to do is just simply share your experience with the company, and share those experiences with those people that you care about. So it's definitely not necessary for you to share this with other people to earn weekly profits and returns that we just discussed. However, if you choose to, this just allows you to make even more money and get to your financial goals in a quicker time frame. But again, it's absolutely optional. There's no additional fees or anything like that to take part in the affiliate side. So Questra is the marketing side of Atlantic Global. Okay, now Atlantic Global is the investment side. So when you join, you get 2 websites. Now, you don't have to pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee for the websites, and there is no fee for the affiliate program. It's included for all investors who want to participate to make more money. Questra is situated in Madrid, Spain. It has been operating in as far as the marketing arm for Atlantic since about the year 2009. Now, when they started, it was geared towards high net worth individuals. So you had to have a certain amount of income and so forth, and pretty much already have your financial situation together to be a part of the company. But now Atlantic has decided to share the concept with the world and use word of mouth to spread the wealth. And so this is the CEO of Questra here. And now let's talk about your commissions and how you get commissions from your team. So basically, when you get started, everyone starts as a newcomer. And as you and your investment portfolio and those that you introduce, as it grows, you actually climb what they call the career ladder. So now, as a newcomer, you get a 5% commission as an affiliate, and this 5% commission is over those suitcases that are purchased by people that you refer. So now let me go back to the previous slide here. Well, let me just show you here. You go from 5% all the way up to 15%. But let me show you some of the requirements. Okay, we won't go through all of them, as this is all explained inside of your back office and also in the training. But just to give you an overview. So when you first start, you start as a newcomer. And if you and your team get to 3,000 euro, you can do this by yourself. If you want to start at 3,000 euro, you become a bronze agent. So as a bronze agent, you're getting a 7% return. All right, I'm sorry, a 7% commission over all of those people that you refer that get investment packages. And then a silver agent, to become a silver agent, you and your team collectively have 25,000 euro invested. You become a silver agent. At the silver agent level, you start to get additional bonuses as you climb the career ladder. So this is your first bonus of 1,000 euro when you reach this milestone. And as a silver agent, you're getting a 9% override over those that you have referred. Now, I want to bring to your attention that these sales volumes here, not only is the initial investment package included in this, but each week as you and your team are continuing to reinvest, that gets added in. So it's very quick for you to move up the ranks. So as you can see here, as you continue to get higher and higher at the gold level, you're getting a bonus of 2,000 euro, platinum 5,000 euro, bronze 20,000, 50,000, 150,000, all the way up to €500,000 in bonuses, just for referring this and just for helping your team, helping those that you care about, and everyone reinvesting, which everyone wants to do anyway, so that their investment portfolio can grow and grow and grow. And as you're at that top level at the Platinum Director, then you're at a 15% commission override. So this becomes very exciting for our affiliates. So this is just giving you a snapshot of last year's affiliate statistics. This was from January 1 to September 1, 2016. Total paid to partners was 10,964 euro. Income from the career ladder was 4.7 million euro, and then bonuses for reaching those levels was about 6.2 euro. So that's very, very exciting, and we're just barely scratching the surface here, as this is very, very new to this part of the world, and so you're one of the first to actually hear about this and be able to take part in this. Also, I'm sorry, let me go back here. I skipped a slide. Here we go. All right, these are some bonuses also, recent bonuses. And again, as you can see, there's lots of room for lots of growth, because at the top bonus, there's only 2 thus far with the new bonuses and everything that they have in place. So there's so much opportunity here for growth, so much opportunity for us here in this part of the world to actually take part in this platform and help a lot of people out there with their financial goals and their financial desires. Also, we have training and development. So for directors and above, you actually get to travel to Madrid, and you actually get to partake in some top level training that goes deeper. You kind of get to see behind the curtain, if you will, into the company, into the different investment strategies and so forth, to continue to help you, to help your team, to grow your teams. In addition to that, when you reach the 8th level, you actually receive a bonus of 150,000 euro. Have to be working with the company for at least 6 months, and you get to file an application to get interest-free loans. Again, this is for directors and above. So these are loans towards maybe the car of your dreams, or the condo or home of your dream. What's required from you to participate in this is you have to accumulate at least 25% of the cost. So whatever that cost of that home or that car is for you, 25% of that you need to accumulate, and then Questra will actually put up the other remaining 75%, and Questra will actually hold the note for that. So there is no interest or no mortgage company or loan company that you're paying. So it's interest-free loan for your dream car or for your dream home. So now we will leave you with this. What Richard Branson says, it says, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure that you can do it, say yes and then learn how to do it later. Alright, so folks, in the next video, you want to go to the next video and we're going to show you exactly step by step how you can get signed up. It's absolutely free to set up your account, take a look, take a peek at everything, read over everything, and then once you decide to actually start investing, then you can fund your account. But it's absolutely free. In the next video, we'll show you how to set the account up, and then you can get started, and we want to help you with your financial goals and your financial dreams. So welcome to Questra World.